Good morning to all. Today our new topic is the adjectives, kinds of adjectives. Good morning to all. Today our new topic is the adjectives, kinds of adjectives. So now, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. They are modifiers. They modify nouns or pronouns. In other words, adjectives give information, add details, and describe a noun. So, they are also called describing words. Now, when we talk about adjective, it means the noun or the pronoun in the sentence. It is adding something to their meaning. Adjective is adding something to the meaning of noun or pronoun. They are modifiers means they are making some change in nouns and pronouns. They are giving some informations or they are adding some details or they are describing a noun. Now here I have given three examples. The thin man has a grey dog. The clown is funny. These are delicious, huge, round cookies. Now, when I want to find the noun in the sentence, I can understand that nouns are naming words. So, the noun in the sentences are man, dog, clown, and cookies. Now, the describing words are thin, grey, funny, delicious, huge, round. But there is a difference in all the three sentences. First one, we can see that thin and grey are placed before noun. In the second sentence, we can see that the adjective is placed after the noun. And in the three, we can see that multiple adjectives are in the sentence. So now, let's understand. The words thin and grey describe the nouns man and dog. Adjectives thin and grey are placed before noun. In the second example, the noun clown is linked with the verb is. So the adjective funny comes after the noun. Whenever the noun and the adjective is linked with a verb, then in the sentence, adjective will come after noun. In the third sentence, we can see that three adjectives are used delicious, huge, and round. If I speak, I love huge, round, delicious cookies, my sentence is not correct. It is incorrect sentence because I have not put the adjectives in correct order. But when I say, I love delicious, huge, round cookies, my sentence is correct because according to the adjective order, first comes opinion, so that is delicious. Second comes size, that is huge. Third comes shape, that is round. Now, this is the order. Adjectives, word order. And the general order of adjectives before a noun is the following. First is number, opinion, size, condition, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. Number means amount or quantity. Opinion means attitude or observation. Size means size and height. Condition can be condition or state. Age means how old it is or how old is it. Good morning. Good morning to all. Today we will study the adjectives, kinds of adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. They are modifiers. They modify nouns or pronouns. In other words, we can say adjectives give more information, add detail, and describe a noun. So they are also called describing words. So adjective is a word which is giving some meaning to the noun, Second, they are modifying nouns, means they are changing something in nouns or pronouns. So we can also say that they are describing nouns or pronouns. Here I have given 3 examples, and there is a difference between all the 3 examples. The thin man has a grey dog. The clown is funny. These are delicious, huge, round cookies. So first we'll find out the nouns. Man, dog, clown, cookies. They are nouns because they are naming words. Now, thin, grey, funny, delicious, huge, round are describing words, and describing words are adjectives. Now, what is the difference that we'll study? In the first sentence, we have seen that the word thin and grey describe the nouns men and dog. An adjective thin and grey are placed before nouns. In the second sentence, we can see that the noun clown is linked with the verb is. So the adjective funny comes before the noun. So the linking verb between clown and funny is. In the third sentence, the word delicious, huge, round, they describe cookies, and it is according to the adjective order. Delicious is opinion, huge is size, and round is shape. Now, this is adjectives word order, and the general order of adjectives before a noun is the following. First is number, amount or quantity, opinion, attitude or observation, size or height, condition or state, age, how old is it, shape, it can be shape, weight or length, color, approximate color, origin, where is it from, material, what it is made of, and purpose, what is it used for. So according to our sentence, we can say delicious. Delicious is opinion, and opinion is on second number. Then huge. Huge is the size, and then shape. Shape is round. So we have put the adjectives in correct order: opinion, size, and shape. Now, types of adjectives. There are 8 types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, distributive adjectives, and proper adjectives. So the first one is adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. They show the kind or quality of a person or a thing. Example, London is a large city. He is an honest man. The foolish crow tried to sing. So now in this we can see the words large, honest and foolish tell us of what kind of a person or thing is. Now adjective of quality answer the question of what kind. What kind of city? Large. What kind of man? Honest. What kind of crow? Foolish. Second, adjectives of quantity. They show how much of a thing is meant. Example, I ate some rice. He has little intelligence. He showed much patience. He has lost all his wealth. Now, adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. For example, how much rice? Some rice. How much intelligence? Little. How much patience? Much. How much wealth? All. Now the the adjectives much, a little, some, any, enough, sufficient, whole, all, half, no, show how much of a thing is meant. Third comes adjective of number. So we can define it expresses the definite quantity of noun, or in an easy manner we can understand that it tells us the exact number of something. Now let's say someone asks me, Mr. Naveed, tell me how many students are in your class. So when I will answer, I have 3 students. So again, with the example, I can explain you, I have 3 students. I is the subject, have showing the possession, 3 adjective of number, students, noun. So in this example, 3 is the adjective of number and students are noun, and 3 is telling us the quantity or number of students. So now if anyone asks me what is the adjective of number, I can tell it expresses the definite quantity of noun or pronoun. So adjectives of number show how many persons or things there are or in what order any of them stands. Now adjectives of numbers answer the question how many or in what order. Now there is a difference between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. By name it seems that both are similar, but there is a difference. So let's see what is the difference. Adjectives of quantity show the approximate quantity of noun, whereas adjectives of number express the exact number. Means they show the definite number of the noun in the sentence. Second, adjective of number is used with countable nouns, whereas adjective of quantity is used with uncountable nouns. Let us understand with examples. Like adjectives of quantity. I have enough money. I ate some rice. So money and rice here are uncountable nouns. So we cannot count. So this will be adjectives of quantity. Again, adjectives of number. There are not enough chairs. There are any guava trees in your, are there any guava trees in your garden? There are no interesting books in this, there are no interesting stories in this book. Some boys are very clever and intelligent.